Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, you learn the factorization. This is the series of the class 8 mathematics. You can check the all video from the class 8 playlist, mathematics playlist. Here you learn the definition of factor, factor of the monomial, GCF or the HCF of the monomial factor, factorization of the algebraic expression when the monomial factor is common, factorization of the algebraic expression when the binomial factor is common, factorization of the algebraic expression by grouping terms, factorization of the algebraic expression by converting a perfect square or applying the algebraic identities, definition of the polynomials, factorization of the quadratic polynomials in one variables, factorization of the quadratic polynomials in the form of the x square plus x into a plus b plus ab, factorization of the quadratic polynomials with one variables in the form of the ax square plus bx plus c. So here you learn the all basics, and if you watch this video till end and take notes also, then you can start your exercise yourself. And for the advanced level or more doubt clearance, you can consult with your existing teacher, or you can join my online class also. So if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, and also like the video and press the bell icon so that you get the all updates. So without wasting time, let's start the factorization. So before learn the factor, we should have the clear knowledge about what are the algebraic expressions. So this details is available in the videos already uploaded. You can check from the playlist. So what are the algebraic expressions? Let's take one example. If I consider minus 10 x square. Clear? So this is a algebraic expression, and it consists of plus minus sign, and this 10 is constant part, and this is the variable or literal. Clear? And these are the power or the exponent. These are the power or exponent. Clear? These are the different parts. So all these things together, we can say it is a algebraic expression. And when and it is itself is a term also. Okay, this is called the term. So this is called the monomial algebraic expression. Monomial. Why? Because there is here it is a only one term. Okay, it consists a one term only. But if I told you 2x square minus 3x plus 5, so you can say it is a trinomial, because here it is a here consists of the three terms. So what are those terms? Terms are 2x square minus 3x and 5. So every time you consider terms with the plus minus sign, because each term is separated by the plus minus. Okay, and when you consider each term, then you include the plus minus sign of left side of the number itself. Clear? So it is the example of the trinomial. And what is the binomial expression? If it is 2x plus 3, so here consists of the two terms. So it is the binomial expression. Clear? Next we learn the factor. General definition of the factor is actually the divisor. For example, if I told you what is the factors, what are the factors of 12, what are the factor of the 12, then the answer will be the factors of 12. What you have to do? You have to do the prime factorization. Okay, so factors of 12 are 1, 2, different combination of the multiples, Clear? So next is 3, then 4, then 6, then 12. So these are the factor of the 12. Similarly, if I told you what is the factor of the algebraic expression, that is 5x square y. So what are the factors? Factors are what? 5 x y, and here also 1. You can start from the 1, x y, x square, and then x square, and then x y, then x square y. These are the factor of 5x square y, and we can say these are the all divisor. If we divide this given algebraic expression with any of these are also itself a algebraic expression. Okay, so factor is actually the product parts of the algebraic expression. Clear? Means if we divide any of this factor or the algebraic expression with this given algebraic expression, we can divide it without any remainder, means remainder will be 0. So what that mean is actually, for example, if I told you, if I divide x square y by any of this let's consider xy. Clear? Xy, let's look what will happen. X square y by xy, and you just remove it, you can cancel out x and y, and what remain? 5x. Is it clear? That is the reason xy is a factor of 5x square y. Clear? And also this is the monomial. Why? Because only term is there in this algebraic expression. This is the monomial. Okay, so this is the monomial algebraic expression. You must remember this. Monomial algebraic expression. Clear? Done. And this method actually called the factorization. Factorization. This method is called the factorization. Clear? So we have completed the these two completed. Next we learn the G shape or the H shape of the monomial factor. So let's take one example to understand the G shape or the H shape of the monomial factor. So here the three monomial algebraic expression given, that is 4a square b cube minus 12 a cube b and 18 a to the power 4 b cube c. So First we have to find out the factor of the all coefficient of the given expression. The coefficient, the HCF of coefficient of each terms, coefficient 4, minus 12 and 18. So since the all terms having no same sign, only here it is minus, so we are not considering the sign here, only we just consider the value. So now we know that by the common factorization method, a common prime factorization method, we can find out the HCF. So these three constant terms only divisible by 2. So 2 to the 4, 6 to the 12 and 9 to the 18. So here HCF of the coefficient of that given terms is actually 2. Now HCF of literal of the given expression, literals a square b cube, a cube b and a4 b cube c is equal to how much? So here we consider the common factor of the three expression. What are those common factors? The common factors are only means a and b. The literals only a and b means variable, only a and b are the common of the three, because c, third expression having the c, but first and second expression they don't have any c. So we consider first the variable. So what are those variables? Variables are, the common variables are only a and b. And next we consider the lowest power of the variable, only to consider the lowest power. So here it is a square and here it is a cube and it is a to the power 4. So what is the lowest power? That is 2. So we write down 2 here. What is the lowest power of the b? So here actually b cube and here it is b and it is b cube. So lowest power is actually b. So now we multiply these two, we get the HCF. We get the HCF. So HCF of 4 a square b cube minus 12 a cube b and 18 a to the power 4 b cube c is equal to you just multiply these two, we get 2 a square b. So this is the right answer. Clear? So the third also completed. Clear? Next we learn the factorization of the algebraic expression when the monomial factor is common. To learn the factorization of the algebraic expression when the monomial factor is the common. So look at this algebraic expression. This is actually the trinomial algebraic expression. Here we have to find out the coefficient of the each terms. Okay, the common coefficient of the each terms and also the common of the literals part also. But this is the literal variable part also. So this is the example: 3x square y minus 12x cube y square minus 6x square y to the power 4. So how you can do that? First we find out the common in between the coefficient. So coefficient are 3, 12 and 6. Here we can take the actually the HCF. We have to find the HCF. 3, 12 and 6 HCF is actually the 3. And next we have to consider the actually here also find out the HCF of literals. So we consider the each variable, that is x and y, Next we find out the lowest power, that is lowest power is x square, x cube and x square. So x square is the lowest power. And what is the lowest power of the y? Here where it is y square, y to the power 4. So y is the lowest power. So what's remain here? So remain 3x square y. So 1 remain here. Clear? Next is here it is remain what? 4. Because 3 4 is 12. 4 x, because here it is x cube, here it is x cube. So if we divide the x square, we get to remain is x. Clear? And also remain y, because one y remove from the y square and remain y. And here it's remain 2 and x square is removed and y cube. Clear? This is the answer. So because this is algebraic expression, this is algebraic expression, this is, we just factorize this given expression in the two parts, two algebraic expression. So factorization completed. So this part completed. Okay. Next we learn the factorization of the algebraic expression when the binomial factor is common. To learn the factorization of the algebraic expression when the binomial factor is common, how we can identify this type? By looking into the algebraic expression. Here a plus 2b actually the common, and this a plus 2b is actually the binomial. We have already learned that monomial, binomial, here is two terms there in each algebraic expression, so we can say these are the binomial, and we can take the common, this common, and first we check the coefficient part, mean the constant part also. If there is a common, we have to remove that, take the common, then we just take the common from the binomial expression. Okay, so let's do this. This is the question. 6 into a plus 2b minus 4 a plus b a plus 2b whole square. Done. So I can do that. First we have to find out the coefficient part. Here it is common, means what? Only means 6 and 4. What is the HCF of 6 and 4? That is, you already know that 4 and 6, only 2. Only HCF actually the 2. So we only take the 2 common here, right, from the coefficient part. And here 2 a plus 2b, this binomial expression having that and both terms. So we have to common the first we common the simply take the common the binomial expression, and then we have to check the power. So we have to find out the least power, lowest power we have to consider, and here it is 1 and here it is 2, so lowest power is what? 1. Correct. And what remain here? If you remove 6 from 2, what remain? That is 3, and here the remain nothing, right? And here it is 2, here it is remain 2, and from, since it is a plus 2b a whole square, so if you remove only 1 a plus 2b, what remain? Only 1. Clear? Then we simplify this, a plus 2b, but don't do any multiplication, because we are doing what? Factorizing. Factorizing means multiples of the factors. We are doing the multiples of the factors. Okay, so 2 is also factor, a plus 2b also a factor, and here what we get? 3 minus 2a minus 4b. This is the right answer. Clear? So we have completed this part also. This is completed. Next we learn the factorization of the algebraic expression by grouping terms. To learn this factorization of the algebraic expression by the grouping terms, first we have to identify the question actually. why this question is under this concept, because look at this here. The binomial term, that is x square plus 1 and a square plus b, a square plus b square, these are not the common. So before we have learned we have to take the common from the binomial factor. Here the binomial factors are common, because a plus 2b and a plus a, here also a plus 2b, but here it is different. The common binomials terms are different. Okay, x square plus 1 and a square plus b square, these are we cannot take the common, so we have to change the group, otherwise it will not possible. How you can do that? So first we just remove the bracket, that is abx square, and distributive property, abx square plus ab plus a square x plus ax big square. Okay, next we have to change the position, abx square plus a square x plus ax b square plus ab. We just combine this part ab with this, and this part with the ab x square. Clear? Next we have to follow the first method, that is the monomial factor. You have to take common from this entire, because these all terms are the this individual is the monomial terms. So we have to find out the monomial expression. What are the common of the monomial expression? That is a we can take common, and always remember the we have to take common the variables part and the coefficient part also. But here it is a and a square, so we take common a and x also, correct? And what remain is bx plus a, and here we take common what, b only, so bx plus a. Okay, so next you follow the this previous method, because here we get that two binomial expressions are common here, the bx plus a and at bx plus a. So you take this common bx plus a, the earlier method, this previous method we can apply, and what remain here, ax plus b. So answer will be ax plus b, and just write into the means some pattern format you write it, that is bx plus a and ax plus b. So it's look better, it is also answer, this also answer, but it's look better, a symmetric form. So this is the answer, correct? By the commutative law we can change this position also. Okay, done. So we have completed this. Just a minute, we have completed this one. Next we learn the factorization of the algebraic expression by converting a perfect square or applying the algebraic identities. Clear? Means it is actually the application of the algebraic identities to find out the factors or the factorization. Clear? Let's take one example to understand the factorization of the algebraic expression by converting a perfect square. Okay, how I can do that? For example, suppose question given a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. How you can do that? Let's solve it. Okay, so what algebraic identity we can apply? That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So the given question is a to the power 8 minus to the power 8. And next is this was the question. Okay, the question was as the question. Okay, so a plus b, here you can write as 4 square minus b to the power 4 square. Okay, so now a4 we consider as a and b4 considered b, so we can write as a plus b into a minus b. So a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 to a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Clear? So next what we can write, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Here it is a square minus square. Okay, so we can write as a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, and here it is a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Clear? Next further we can simplify this. A square plus b square plus 2a square b square minus 2a square b square. So it is each other eliminate, so remain a square a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. So we can write this way. And what remain? That is a square plus b square, and here it is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Now here what we can do, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, so a square plus b square whole square minus root 2 ab whole square. Okay, so look at this entire expression is a square minus b square, so a square plus b square and a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Next is a square plus b square a plus b root 2ab and a square plus b square minus root 2ab. Okay, is the root 2ab. This is b. Okay, and here it is a square plus b square and a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? So we have completed this. Next we learn the definition of the polynomials. So what is polynomial? Let's write the general expression. For example, ax to the power n plus bx to the power by to the power m plus c. So polynomial means the multiple terms. Okay, poly means many terms are there. Okay, where there are many terms, then you can say it is the polynomial. And also remember the maximum power, whatever powers are there, the power of variable, here the variable is x and y, that is m and n, both should be the whole number. Remember this, it should be the whole number, means the 0 1 2 like this. So it cannot be the any fraction, no fraction, or the decimal allow. For example, so if I told you that minus 7x square plus 2x plus 3, is it polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. If I told you another example, 5 by x plus y, is it polynomial? No. Why not? Because this can be write as 5x to the power minus 1. Already I told you the power should be the whole number, but it is what? It is the negative integer. This part is negative integer, not whole number. So we can say it is a polynomial. I give you more example. That is, if I told you, is it polynomial? Minus root 2 x to the power, for example, 2 by 3 plus y. No, it is not the polynomial. Why not? Not polynomial. Because 2 by 3, this is not a whole number. It is the rational number. Okay, so we can't say this is a polynomial. So it is not polynomial, and above example it is not a polynomial. So not polynomial. Clear? So we have completed this. Next we learn the factorization of the quadratic polynomials in one variables. So let's take the general expression, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the maximum power of the variable, that is x, the variable x is the 2. The maximum power of variable is 2. So that is the reason it is the quadratic. And why it is the polynomial? Because the power is actually whole number. Done. The maximum power of the variable is the whole number, and both cases for the x, this variable, and here also the x power is 1, so it is a whole number. Clear? So this is a polynomial and also quadratic polynomials. Now there are the two format we have to identify. So if the format is x square plus x into a plus b plus c, or here you can consider c as ab also, directly you can consider ab. So if we find out the given quadratic polynomials is with this format, then we can find out the factor by the split the midterms. Okay, split the midterm. Okay, splitting the midterm method. And in this case also, if the format is ax square plus bx plus c, then also we can apply the splitting the midterm method. Okay, both these cases we apply this. Actually here we covered the last 2 points, that is the factorization of the quadratic polynomials in the form of the this, and factorization of the polynomial in the form of this. So all these things, 3 things we covered here. Clear? So let's take one by one example. Let's take one example. X square minus 4x minus 21. Okay, look at this. This is similar to x square x a plus b into ab format. Okay, clear? So how you can do that? So we have to write this minus 4 as a plus b format and minus 21 as the ab. So how you can do that? So minus 21 we have to write as a into b, and minus 4 we have to write a plus b. So you have to split this minus 4 into the two parts. So 3 into 7, actually by factorization you can find out the what are the factor of the 21. From there you can find out, okay, there could be 3 or 7. So 3 7 is 21. Now since it is minus, so there could be one minus, but where the minus is acceptable, since here it is minus value, so larger value should be minus. So if we consider 7 minus, then it will be match both. If we consider minus 7, it will match both. Clear? Minus 7 and minus 7. So we can write as 3 into minus 7. So 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. And here also 3 is a is 3 and minus 7. Here also we get the minus 4. So we can write as x square minus xb minus xa plus xb. So actually plus x into a plus b. This if we further simplify, we get minus plus 3x minus 7x. We split the minus 4x, we get this. Done. So here we keep as it is. Then we take common x. Then what value remain? That is x plus 3. And here it is common minus 7. Minus 7. So x plus 3. So finally we get x minus 7 and x plus 3. So this is the answer. This is the answer. And question was given. This was the question. This is the answer. Okay. Done. So next we consider this format, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So this is the example of this format. Now we take example of ax square plus bx plus c, where x square having the coefficient a. Okay. So we have to factorize that polynomials, quadratic polynomials. Let's take one example. Suppose question given that 6x square plus 35xy minus 6y square. Okay. One thing I just forget to tell you, it could be this example is the one variable, and it could be applicable for the two variable also. It is applicable for the two variable also. Correct? Okay. What that mean? Means same question could be like this. Like this. 6x square plus 35x minus 6. Okay. So this is the example, the quadratic equation with the one variable. This is the quadratic equation with the two variable. Now we solve both. Okay. How you can do that? So here also we apply the split the midterm. So look at this. Here what you have to do? Here actually the AB term is minus 6 into 6. So remember this, AB is equal to minus 6 into 6, means the coefficient of this part and coefficient of this part. So it will be minus 36. Okay. So if it is minus 36, then we can simply split this plus 36 xy minus 1 minus 1 xy, or simply you can write as xy. Okay, look at this, 36 and minus 1 is how much? 35, and if you multiply both we get this AB also. Clear? Done. And here A plus B also 35. Clear? So next, what remain? A 6y square. Now we take common 6x. So x plus 6y minus y, x plus 6y. So finally we get x plus 6y. This is the common. Okay. This is binomial is common for the both terms. So we take the common 6x plus 6y. We have learned this earlier. Next is what remain? Here remains 6x minus y. This is the answer. 6 minus y. Now how you can solve this? This part. So again here also the splitting the middle terms 35 and minus 6, that is AB. Same method you apply. Here you consider AB as minus 6 into 6, that is minus 36, and A plus B as 35. We apply the same method, that is 6x square plus 36x, and here variable is only x, and plus minus x. So 36 minus x, 35x, and if you multiply it will be minus the coefficient will be what? Minus 36. Here also minus 36, so it match. So here remains 6. So if we take the common 6x, then x plus 6 minus 1 x plus 6. Done. It will be x plus 6 and 6x minus 1. Okay. Okay. One thing you must remember, that is, if the format is x into a plus b, x square plus obvious plus ab, then the factors are x plus a into x plus b. This is the shortcut actually, x plus left and x plus b. Means if we find out that look at this, here x is, we get what? Here x we get sorry, a we get 3 and b we get minus 7. So directly we can put here what is the value of a? A is 3, so it is x plus 3. And what is the b value? B is actually the minus 7. So you can directly write as minus 7. Look at this. This is similar to this value. So directly when the MCQ question, you can directly get this. When you get the AB, when you find out the A into B, that time you also check the whether it is satisfy A plus B or not. Then you directly you can put the value x plus A into x plus B. You get the factors. These are the factors of the given polynomial is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. This is the polynomial and these are the factors. So this is the end of this video. So, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.